Hey, can you see me? Usually it's not like this, especially like shorts here. Before I get into videoing my setup, let me tell you something about Amazon Audible. This camera does not want me to record. So, if you guys want me to get a better camera so that it will allow me to keep making videos, click the link in the description for Audible 30-day free trial. You don't have to pay anything for 30 days. You get a free book. I just use it. I listen to books every time I get a chance to. I even listen to books when I'm editing. And get right into the setup video, and I'm tired of recording and I just want to get this video done. Good lighting. What's going on, everybody? Andrew here, and today I am back with a setup video, and as you can see, this is a setup video. Thank you to I forgot your name, but thank you for your comment. Thinking about doing this video, but I just haven't yet. You know, it's nice to hear, good comments like that instead of, this is my setup. Wait, you cannot see. That is my setup. Alright, so the first thing over here is my sketchbook that I got a while back. Got some cool little art in it. I'm not a terrible drawer, but that one was good. That one looks good. That one is like the best one out of all of them. So these are wireless earbuds, and they're usually sitting right here on my desk. That's why I'm mentioning them. This is a tape measure, like every desk. This is the bag. This is usually filled up with this microphone that I'm using currently. A video is coming out with this microphone very soon. It's a Takstar, whatever. And then like a watch I bought from AliExpress. Power bank, which this is a very good power bank. 10,000 milliamp, full charge. I always forget it, so I never use it. Blue Snowball microphone, which is like a good microphone. A good starter microphone if you want one. My old pair of glasses for backup. The file name was Low Poly Gorilla. I found it on Thingiverse. Yes, this is 3D printed. No, I do not have a 3D printer. I want one. This was printed at my school because I'm in a class that has 3D printers. You know, your typical pencils, pen holder, some computer glasses, coupons. Don't know why that's still there. Camera, stop doing that. These are little solder bits, like when you solder something. They kind of burned the table when I was making them, but luckily it's school, not me. These are little protecting caps for my insulin pump. If you didn't know, I'll link to an old video. Oh my god, stop. But these are to plug up the sites and all that. This is the key for it to get the cartridge out. The typical keyboard that comes with HP computers, typical mouse, SteelSeries mouse pad that has a bunch of junk on it, and forgot what this can you record, please, and stop freezing? Stop it. And not a good computer. I recommend getting this book, but you can do what you want, skull. But I'm about to throw this camera because it's not letting me record over there in that corner. That is pretty much it. That is it for you guys. That is it for this video. Let me know if you want more videos like this in the future, or if you want update videos if I upgrade any of my hardware, which I think it's more important about this camera, because the computer's still working fine. This camera just stops recording for no reason. But thank you guys for watching. Bye, because that's what all I have to say right now.
Make him spicy, Papa.